a lot of these professionalism and discipline जो आया है also comes from the fact that you have yourself seen people around you have been very indisciplined.
This is absolutely true. मुझे याद है मेरी फ्रेंड थी, उसने बोला था कि ये क्या हुआ, ये तो तुम एंजॉय क्यों नहीं कर रही हो अटेंशन? So I said, why should I enjoy it?
Right.
I said, वो अपने फील्ड में इंसान जो भी है वो बहुत उम्दा माने जाते हैं, वो हमारे शायद फ्यूचर कैप्टन हो सकते हैं, बट मैं भी कुछ कम नहीं हूँ, मैंने काम करके यहाँ तक आई हूँ उसके बलबूते पे.
Everything that was talked about regarding Shubman Gill etc. कहाँ से आया किसी को कुछ पता नहीं है, but then कहीं से source out हुआ and what happens is कोई एक करता है वो वायरल हो जाता है and it picks up from there, right? Till today, have you ever been able to figure out the source कि ये कहाँ से ये rumors चालू है? Because of course you have cleared it.
No, there was a page I believe which posted it, and उस चक्कर में हुआ ये कि then the journalist saw that. And I still don't understand इतना पावर कैसे हो सकता है एक पेज में that it's gone, it went so viral कि मैं तो हर इंटरव्यू में बोलती हूँ ये शुभन is very very lovely and nice, ये उसके साथ लिंकअप ठीक है हो गया, बट ये किसी और के साथ भी हो सकता था जो शायद मेरी फैमिली तो वैसे ही स्ट्रगल है, तो और किसी के साथ ऐसे करके और होता है, it's just not worth it. I never want to be known into my personal life, but of course that's not going to happen. I just wanted to be seen at the earliest.
Correct.
In front of my audiences. I was in that zone कि यार ये wait period तो बहुत लंबा हो गया, कोविड हो गया, सब हो गया, so I really need to.
When you were having those kind of strenuous schedules on set, did you see your health getting magnified?
Oh yeah. A lot of actors who I know have developed thyroid. They've got sugar issues because lack of sleep, lack of eating good food, proper food, all of that is happening. Hi, this is Ridhima Pandit और आप मुझे देख रहे हैं शुभजीत के YouTube चैनल पर. इसे लाइक कीजिए, शेयर कीजिए, सब्सक्राइब कीजिए, क्योंकि यहाँ की जो सारी कॉन्वर्सेशंस है वेरी वन ऑन वन, वेरी रियल है. इनके सवाल बड़े इंटेलिजेंट है, ये अपनी पूरी रिसर्च करके रखते हैं. सो आई एम श्योर सामने वाले को भी बहुत मजा आता है अपनी लाइफ के और पहलू बताने में, जैसे कि आज मुझे आया.
क्या बात है, थैंक यू सो मच. अनदर वन कमिंग वेरी सून. मजा आएगा. और रिधिमा पंडित फैन. थैंक्स यू.
थैंक यू.
ऑलराइट, सो सक्सेस स्टोरीज जो होते हैं जिंदगी में, सक्सेस स्टोरीज ऑलवेज इंस्पायर एंड मोटिवेट पीपल. यू नो, अक्सर ये कहा जाता है कि यू नो यू माइट हैव डिफरेंट प्लान्स फॉर योरसेल्फ बट द यूनिवर्स माइट हैव कंप्लीटली डिफरेंट प्लान्स फॉर यू. बहुत सारे शख्सियत ऐसे होते हैं जिनके साथ एक्चुअली ये चीज होता है. वी हैव लिव्ड दैट एक्सपीरियंस एंड आई थिंक वन ऑफ देम ओवर हियर इज Ridhima Pandit. I have to say that, you know, perhaps you started on the other side of, you know, the entertainment industry and now you have come to this side of being a public figure and a celebrity yourself. It's almost like a 360-degree transformation bolo, revelation bolo, you know, whatever, rotation bolo, what it is. And I'm sure I've heard so many instances about how you have been wanting to be a part of, you know, the acting fraternity, but शायद आप उस तरीके से गट्स जुटा नहीं पा रहे थे, तो काइंड ऑफ यू नो मे बी टॉक अबाउट इट टू योर फैमिली. सब कुछ बैटल करके योर पर्सनल ऑब्स्टैकल्स से लेके यू नो योर प्रोफेशनल ऑब्स्टैकल्स, स्टार्टिंग ओवर हियर, यू नो डूइंग मॉडलिंग, then eventually TV, now smashing it in the web series space as well. If I ask you to sum this entire experience in one line, वो क्या लाइन कहोगे आप? I'll hold it.
आई थिंक मेरी जिंदगी के लास्ट 10 साल आपने जैसे रिफ्रेश करा दिए हैं as we speak, as you describe this whole journey, and honestly wow, it's something that I'm proud of. Honestly ये सबके साथ नहीं होता. और कहते हैं जिगर चाहिए, वो मुझे पता नहीं भगवान ने दे दिया. But yes, once you're watching and don't know, I used to be an artist manager before I got to become an artist myself. And this journey is nothing short of little miracles coming through, and at the same time just not giving up. I think वो एक बहुत बड़ी चीज हो जाती है जर्नी. तो जब मैं आर्टिस्ट मैनेजर हुआ करती थी, तो आज एक्चुअली आपको एक पते की बात बताती हूँ. हम आज जिस एरिया में शूट कर रहे हैं यहाँ पर काफी सारे ऑडिशंस होते हैं. सो यही पे इन्हीं गलियों में मुझे याद है मैं ऐसे दो बैग्स लेके घूमती थी. मतलब अगर मैं जो सुबह से निकल पड़ती थी ऑडिशंस के लिए, ऐसे ये 2 bags ले लेके I used to be like, I would check here. I said, do I fit in? Can I come in to audition? And some people would say, no, you don't fit in. Or they would say, no, not your age group. और then come wait and then we have to wait for a good 45 minutes an hour और मैं lunch भी नहीं खा पाती थी I remember so and today I come in here I am coming in my car so there's just so much that I can thank God for so I think the whole moral of the story from this is I decided not to give up and I'm still here for that reason.
You know, it's so important when you say that it's important not to give up. कहाँ जाना बहुत easy होता है, but then in real life when you need to implement it, when all the odds are against you, challenges है, you know, personal life sometimes gets shattered, professional life sometimes gets shattered. सामने वाला तो बहुत आसानी से बोल देता है कि यार never give up, but खुद इस चीज को implement करना, दिमाग में डालना एंड उसको एक्चुअली यू नो रिजल्ट ओरिएंटेड अप्रोच के साथ आगे बढ़ना कितना डिफिकल्ट होता है बिकॉज आई एम श्योर व्हेन टफ टाइम्स आर देयर 50 लोग बोलते होंगे यार कि डोंट गिव अप यू नो बी देयर बी स्ट्रांग बट इट्स अ वेरी अंडरवैल्यूड स्टेटमेंट आई फील जिसके साथ होता है उसी को समझना होता है राइट when you were growing initially when I say growing I mean your professional growth jab things were perhaps not working out what do you credit your source of strength to
My family, my friends, and in fact my own way of thinking. वो Snoop Dogg कहते हैं I want to thank me. I want to thank me because I did keep myself sane. I could have gone crazy thinking कि अब क्या करूँ कैसे करूँ. Gratitude should be our attitude. Definitely. आज ही सुबह मैं उठी and I was feeling very disgruntled about something that did not work out. And I woke up and I said, what are you cribbing about? You've had a lovely sleep. You've slept for 10 hours today. You've had the AC on. You have a bed over you. You've touched on all your family members already. You are healthy. So किस बारे में? So I think एक चीज ये होती है और बोलना आसान. ऐसे नहीं मैं भी I'm only human. I also have days where I just go like, what is happening? Why is it not happening to me and why is it happening to someone else? So there are many emotions that come into play. I get jealous. I feel like I'm left behind. But एक फेज था मेरी जिंदगी में. I remember when I thought कि भाई क्या हो रहा है या तो भगवान मेरी ये ambitions ही मुझ में से निकाल दे because I was also the primary caregiver for my mother. So I just didn't want to focus on work. I could not focus on work, and obviously that work won't come to you in that moment, right? Plus COVID had happened to the world, and so it was basically I had to take a few steps back, keeping the circumstances of my life in mind, and I have zero regrets on that because I wouldn't have it any other way. But I sometimes जब वो पूरा एक फेज जिंदगी से चला गया कि my mom started to feel better and you know I could get back to work little then I just realized that I'm lagging behind. Then she passed away and then what happened again I was like oh my god I just can't do anything. I was in a very survival mode for a very long time. You know I don't say this out loud but that survival mode only got me and I'm not talking about financially. It's mentally. Your mental fuel is over. You know, by God's grace, I come from television. Television gives you a hell lot of money wherein you have that way of saying, no, I can choose. I have my time.
True.
So thank you so much to television for that and all the fame that I have. But when you're in that survival mode now, you do feel others are thriving, so they are going ahead. Today I'm thriving. So yes, there's movement in my journey, but that time I was just surviving. So takes time.
You know, एक चीज कहा जाता है कि just because you're pushing yourself back doesn't always mean that you know you are faltered. Sometimes वो थोड़ा सा पीछे जाना जरूरी होता है to kind of accelerate your further, right? So I think that exactly was the scenario in your life. And in fact, मैंने आपके बहुत सारे इंटरव्यूज वगैरह देखे तो एक बेसिक रिसर्च करना होता है before a podcast. One thing that I've realized in terms of your emotional value is that you've always been very connected to your mother, and in fact, you're one of those proud daughters. जिनका सक्सेस उनके मम्मी ने देखा बिकॉज कभी कभी बहुत लोग नहीं हो पाते perhaps they're a part of the journey but by the time that individual gets successful शायद everybody's parents are not you know mummy are not there to see so maybe they're watching of course they're watching from the stars and they're blessing but in your case touch wood by God's grace that happened right what do you have to say on that positive part of course unfortunately she's not here and I can still see, you know, blinkers and emotions in your eyes. I'm so sorry, but I want to know how proud do you feel just for that part that you know my mom has seen my success.
Of course, I feel very proud. Sometimes I feel कि मैं उनके बारे में बहुत बातें करती हूँ, but कैसे ना करूँ? जिंदगी में हम हमारे मॉम के बिना कुछ नहीं होता है. So I'm very, very happy and proud that she was there to see my success. To the point, the बहुत funny किस्से होते थे जब अगर मैं just फेम थोड़ा गेन करते हैं और उसके बीच में जब लोग पहचानने लगते हैं. So I remember my mom, somebody used to just see me from a distance. She like, yeah, she is the same girl. So it was really sweet, you know. And there were many other moments. But today I do feel that the person I am is thanks to my mother. And be it my good qualities, sometimes even bad because I have a temper that has reached me. So many such things.
You know, as far as professional career is concerned, of course, you have had a great release on Netflix. People are appreciating you, etc. And I'll come to all that graph by graph. But 2020 or I believe 2021, right?
Yeah.
Perhaps when you were in that survival state of
Right.
mind, perhaps you were wanting to work out certain things जो कि काम नहीं कर रहे थे. And of course, ये जो fraternity है, whenever you're a freelancer, I can say, because I'm also a freelancer, so I understand this. कभी-कभी आपके पास बहुत काम होता है, कभी-कभी आपके पास शायद उतना काम नहीं होता जितना आप सोचते हो. Then you get a little defensive, right? When you have a lot of work there, you're very aggressive. You can choose ये करना है, मेहनत करते हो. But जब options ही नहीं होता है, तो आप choose कहाँ से करोगे?
Of course.
You know, in 2021, in fact, you said that a show like Big Boss, of course, is very entertaining for the audience. But personally, you don't relate to that kind of show as a contestant. But मजबूरी था उस टाइम पे because of COVID and a lot of other factors, which of course we don't have a control on, came into the scenario because of which you had to select that show, right? I want to understand ki what was your biggest learning as a performing artist at that point of time? Because uske just pehle you have enjoyed quite a high, right?
Yeah.
What was your biggest learning at that point of time?
First things, I can't say that I've stopped operating from that sort of chain of thoughts. I still sometimes get a little, how do you say, I go in the zone that, oh my god, no, I really have to put up something. So I need to be seen again and what is happening on that aspect. But come to think of it, again I'll say it was nothing to do with, I just wanted to be seen at the earliest.
Correct.
In front of my audiences. I was in that zone कि यार ये wait period तो बहुत लंबा हो गया, COVID हो गया, सब हो गया. So I really need to
Yeah, you can continue. Yeah.
So like I really need to take up something so that I can again be in the eye of the audiences. And I think that was one mistake for me because I have been offered Big Boss from the time I came in the industry.
Correct.
Right? But taking it up in that particular year, that moment was not the smartest decision. But yeah, फिर भी मैं गड़बड़ करती हूँ कभी कभार. I take up things which I should not. So it's something.
But I think it's part of the journey as well. That everything अगर सब कोई सब कुछ correct ले लेगा तो फिर हो ही जाता है. Everybody is a that level massive superstar. जो कि नहीं होता. It's a process. So you make mistakes. It's part and parcel of the game, right? It's a very interesting story that I've learned about you that एक जब इंसान के पास एक स्टेडी जॉब होता है, राइट? सो ऑन वन हैंड यू माइट हैव ड्रीम्स एंड एम्बिशंस, बट वो जो करेज होता है टू फ्यूल दैट एम्बिशन, कभी कभी इंसान के पास वो नहीं रहता. And at that point of time, people around you play a big part.
Yeah.
When you were having a job, and of course when you were trying for different modeling stints, etc., शायद काम उस तरीके से नहीं हो रहा था. And then one fine day you got a call. People around you pushed you कि नहीं भाई तुम जाओ. You didn't want to go.
Yeah.
And imagine retrospect side of things में अगर आप देखोगे तो that was perhaps the best decision of your life because one thing led to the other. You did about, I don't know the count, but बहुत सारे advertisements किए. Then your first TV show happened. And it's a gradual process that happened at the end of the day, right? अपने success को लेके अपने आसपास, I don't just say family, it can be friends, उनको कितना credit देते हो for whatever you have achieved?
बहुत ज्यादा. बचपन से ही हम टीचर्स से ही शुरुआत करते हैं हम.
Yeah.
वो हमारे हमें चीजें सिखाती. They teach us grit, that you face the outside world the first time is in your school. So ये हो गए मेरे जो friends हैं. My friends are like my family and they are still the ones from my college. So I'm very very fortunate now. School के मैं unfortunately touch में because they are all over. My bosses, my colleagues who I worked with. ये जो आपके साथ बता रहे हैं, I'm so glad that you read this. Is because my bosses used to be really, really supportive. कि आप जाओ audition करो, you are cut out for acting, we are going to support you. And they did, and today they remain very good friends. So you're never made just by yourself. You're made by all the people you are surrounded with, who are the ones who talk to you, who are the ones who inspire you. So you have to take inspiration in that.
जैसे पॉजिटिव एलिमेंट्स होते हैं, the other side is negative elements, right? On one hand, as an individual, you will always have people who will push you, will motivate you कि नहीं आगे बढ़ो, go full on, don't worry about what the results will happen. You're young, you can take the risks. On the other hand, there will also be people who will pull you back, right? उनको डर लगता है कि बाई चांस ये अगर उस लेवल पे सक्सेस हासिल कर ले, because perhaps she has it in her to achieve that level of success, हासिल कर ली, then वो हम लोग से बहुत आगे निकल जाएंगे. Have you ever experienced that negative element as well? Because positive का तो मुझे पता है, मैंने सुना. You have all had all those people. But have you ever experienced those kind of people who have tried to pull you back? शायद जो आपके लिए अच्छा है, all sorts of negative advice, suggestion देना, hiding behind good stuff, disguise तरीके से.
Yeah, could be, पर मैं कहना चाहूँगी, I don't think I'm such a great judge of character because I've burnt my fingers time and again about a lot of people, a lot of things, a lot of situations. Not everybody has your best interest. But one thing that's not changed in me, I still have that naivety, I still have that innocence. If something good is happening in my life, I want to go tell my friends. But I did notice a few people around me who would be very, very secretive. They're like, oh, we will not talk about it when things happen. So I used to misunderstand them. I used to think, why won't you tell me? I'm your friend. I would only want the best for you. But probably they have met people who've not, had the best interest for them. So I decided to keep things private till they happen. That's important. But coming to this particular thing, if you're saying, I didn't feel anybody wanting to pull me back. But I remember there was a particular casting director. He once told me that you've done comedy work as well. So Rajnikant was a comedy show, right? And I'm so happy that till date, first things first, I get messages from people saying things like my mother was depressed and she felt happy watching you perform, or my grandfather was on his deathbed and he would insist on watching your show, and his last few days have been peaceful. I'm hearing this, and on the other side is a casting director who tells me, look, it's difficult to take you क्योंकि आपने कॉमेडी किया है, तो कॉमेडी के एक्टर्स को हम सीरियस नहीं ले सकते.
ये क्या बात
हुआ? मतलब एक्टर तो एक्टर है. हाँ ठीक है, चलो वो टाइपकास्ट का है तो सिर्फ इंडिया में ही नहीं है, वर्ल्ड ओवर ज्यादा एक एक्टर है. बट हमें भी तो हमारे बिल्स पे करनी है. हमें भी वैसी एक्टिंग करनी है जिसमें हमारी ऑडियंस हमें पसंद करती है. सो बी इट कॉमेडी, बी इट something which is very, very subtle, like as of today, the movie that I have done, which is Odd Air, and in that, I'm playing a character which is very, very subtle. Okay. So, I'm an actor at the end of it.
In fact, आपको ये भी शायद कहा गया था कि your face is typically not very Indianish. ऐसा कुछ आपको कहा गया था जितना मुझे.
Yes, so there was one particular channel head. I mean, I never heard it from him directly, but I was told that let's not take Ridhima for this particular show. Is because she's not got the typical Indian features, so I'm like, ये भी एक problem है life में. Where do you go?
Yeah. So of course funny things, people have different perceptions etc. जो भी है, but ये जो टाइटल आपके फर्स्ट शो का था, हमारी बहू रजनीकांत, ये नाम में मतलब एक जलवा है. ठीक है, मतलब यार बहू रजनीकांत, these are two words which you don't really put together in one context, right? Because बहू हम लोग जब ये वर्ड सुनते हैं एक different perception आता है दिमाग में. रजनीकांत सर का जब हम लोग नाम सुनते हैं तो एक different perception आता है. When the role came to you, and it was I think the time when you were growing as a performing actor, very early years, your first major show, right? And I think your first road to stardom, if I can put it that way. Were you skeptical about the title because typecasting जैसा कि आपने कहा बहुत जल्दी because of a lot of factors हो जाता है. So it can be the name of the show, it can be the character that you have done. लोग उसी ब्रैकेट में आपको देखते हैं. भाई did you have that kind of thing in your mind कि यार शो के नाम की वजह से कुछ नेगेटिव टाइप कास्टिंग ना हो जाए?
Not at all. I think वो ने काफी सेफगार्ड कर दिया था उस एस्पेक्ट को. और जिन्होंने शो देखा उन्हें पता होगा कि रजनी नाम ऐसा आया था कि it's the short form abbreviation of randomly accessible jobs, networks, interface, ऐसे कुछ तो वो था. And और Rajni, the guy who she gets married to, his name is Shantanu Kant. So the surname is Kant. So she becomes Rajnikant, and of course Rajnikant can do anything, and so can this one, right? So Bahu Hamari Rajnikant can do anything, and that's what I could do in the show.
क्या बात है. You know, Sikandar Ka Muqaddar is winning a lot of love, of course, and of course the show is out now. Of course, we can see that the cat is out of the bag. Sabko suspense pata hai. Everybody knows what the story is about. Tell me about all the good stuff that you've been hearing, and that one perhaps compliment from maybe a friend. It can be your family, maybe some industry colleagues जो आपने सुना, and it really touched your heart.
एक तो मैं हर इंटरव्यू में ये जरूर स्पेसिफाई करती हूँ कि मुझे ये रोल मिला इज डेस्टिनी, और जिस तरीके से मिला इट वाज आउटस्टैंडिंग, बिकॉज मैं गई थी किसी और कास्टिंग डायरेक्टर के ऑफिस में टू गिव एन ऑडिशन, और वहां पर मुझे एक लड़की ने कहा कि आर यू कश्मीरी पंडित और आर यू महाराष्ट्री पंडित? Pandit surname is in a lot of casts, etc. So I said, I'm a Maharashtrian. I said, why do you ask? So she said, there's a casting going on. So you can call this particular casting director. It's for Neeraj Pandit. I said, but this casting director knows me, Why won't he call me? He knows me for years. Correct. She said, I don't know, just call. And I called him. And he must have been caught up in the moment he didn't answer. So I messaged, I said, listen, boss, I heard you're casting for this. I want to audition. So he called me as and when he got free. He's like, look, you are a bit of a glamorous face, for the role that we're looking at. It's of a girl, a very simple Maharashtrian girl, and you don't look it, I said, you give me 5 minutes. I said, whatever makeup I have on me, I'm taking it off and I'm sending the test. He said, okay, but listen, we are in a rush to work. Okay. So we have tested 50 women for it, but we're not liking anyone. But it's a very important part. If we don't like you also, we might just go ahead with someone, but we are locking ASAP. So just give me half an hour. I went home, I auditioned, and I sent it. And that's when they knew they had found their Priya. Priya Sawant was the character that we have. A very simple Maharashtrian girl, I'm a nurse in it. And within 2 hours, I was finalized. Just imagine. Wow. And they had tested some 50 girls for it. So I was just so happy that I feel कि कभी कभार कहते हैं ना कि बहुत चाहो तो मिल जाता है. So yes, ये शो जब मूवी जब मुझे मिली तो मुझे बहुत ही अलग तरीके से मिली. एंड नीरज पांडे सर अपने एक्टर्स को लेके बहुत सिलेक्टिव है. हम सब देख सकते हैं उनके एक्टर्स जो आज तक उन्होंने लिए हैं. एट द सेम टाइम who I've seen he loves to work with that comfort zone again. So my fingers are crossed for willing I get to work with him again and again and again. But lot of good love that's coming my way. I'm a bit of a surprise package in the film. I don't want to do really much for the ones who haven't seen. Yeah. So मेरा पार्ट अगर मैं डिस्क्राइब करूं तो एक रिव्यू में मुझे किसी ने डिस्कस किया था. तो उन्होंने कहा था रिव्यू में पंडित प्लेज अ ब्रीफ बट अ पिवटल रोल. I personally do feel it's a very important integral part of the story because it doesn't move ahead after a point without it. So
Nice, quite interesting. मुझे एक चीज बताइए कि ये जो आपने स्टोरी कहा कि somebody else told you about this thing, this casting director was doing. मैं अपने जिंदगी में भी ये चीज बहुत मानता हूँ कि sometimes there is some very positive catalysts around जिनको खुद शायद कुछ नहीं होता, बट से वो लोग ऐसा कुछ हमारे लिए कभी-कभी कर जाते हैं ना, जो जिससे हमारा भला होता है. जैसे उन्होंने आपको बोला कि ये कास्ट, अगर उन्होंने आपको नहीं बोला होता, you would not have figured out कि perhaps this casting director, that's how you got proactively engaged in the reaching out
I
there.
wouldn't have known that this casting was on.
That's exactly what I'm saying. So everything is planned and there's some very positive catalysts around as well, right? But what I really loved is that कि कभी-कभी actors में क्या हो जाता है ना, actor is a public figure after a bit of fame, and मैं 4-5 सालों से हर तरीके के लोगों को देखता हूँ कि once you have a bit of fame, थोड़ा बहुत air अपने आप आ जाता है, या तो कभी-कभी air अपने आप नहीं आता, बट वो जो हवा बनाना होता है ना, वो हवा बन जाता है, because of which a lot of people नहीं कि यार मैं खुद तो रीच आउट नहीं करूंगा, मैं काम नहीं मांगूंगा, या तो मेरे मैनेजर का रीच आउट आएगा, फिर उनकी तरफ से आएगा, तभी जाके ये चीज होगा, राइट? मैं बहुत उसको क्रैप चीज मानता हूँ, बिकॉज मैं अभी तो इट्स नॉट बीन वेरी लॉन्ग दैट आई हैव बीन वर्किंग, 5-6 साल ही हुए, बट इवन 15 years down the line I will not be ashamed to ask for.
Never.
Do you think कि ये जो values है आपके in terms of being very upfront, straightforward, direct, never be shy of what you deserve, you inculcated these values from your family, or what are the things that you credit to in terms of these value systems that you have?
Family, of course, because we've always been taught to be humble. So I can't connect with people who are not humble. तो और एक टाइम पे मैं पीपल प्लीजर ही रह चुकी हूँ. बट अगर आप मुझे ये पूछ रहे हैं, तो मुझे ऐसा लगता है कि मेरे में ना वो आ गया, मुझे रुकना ही नहीं है. अगर मुझे पता चला है, आई थिंक आई एम ऑलरेडी लेट फॉर दैट ऑडिशन, राइट? बिकॉज़ इट्स गोइंग ऑन फॉर अ व्हाइल, इज व्हाट आई हर्ड. सो अब मैं अपने मैनेजर को बोल के आप कॉल करो, फिर वो कॉल जाए, फिर वो बोले अच्छा नहीं देखते, मैं बोला मुझे रुकना ही नहीं है भाई,
Yeah.
क्यों मैं करूँ? यस,
How
आई नीड अ
nice.
मैनेजर टू मैनेज अ लॉट
Overall
ऑफ अदर
very
थिंग्स,
right.
बट काम मांगने में अगर जो इंसान शर्म करता है तो बिल्कुल इट डजंट मेक सेंस। तो मुझे तो जीरो शर्म है। देयर इज अ मीम व्हिच सेज आई हैव नो शर्म, लेकिन people शर्म रख लो शर्म। यस, बट वो मुझे एकदम अग्रेसिव मार्केटिंग में
Yeah.
नहीं आती।
Yeah.
शायद वो अगर मैं कर सकती तो मे बी
Yeah.
दैट वुड आल्सो प्ले अनदर बॉल इन माय केस, बट मुझे वो इतना नहीं आता। बट आई वोंट से आई दैट्स फॉर श्योर।
Of course, experience teaches a lot. Before becoming a celebrity yourself, you've been an artist manager as well. And मेरे भी बहुत आर्टिस्ट मैनेजर दोस्त वगैरह है, कभी कभी मेरे को बोलते हैं कि यार एक्टर्स जो होते हैं ना, ये तुम्हारे सामने कभी कभी बहुत स्वीट रहेंगे, बट वो उनका जो रियल फेस है ना, वो हम लोग को डील करना पड़ता है, राइट? अ लॉट ऑफ पीपल ऑफ माय फ्रेंड्स, ऑफ कोर्स नाम नहीं लूंगा, लेकिन दे से ये कॉमन चीज मैंने सुना। आई हैव नेवर बीन एन आर्टिस्ट मैनेजर, बट एक चीज जो मैंने कॉमन सुना है कि समटाइम्स एक्टर्स शो यू समथिंग डिफरेंट, एंड असली में जो होता है वो हम लोग को कभी कभी पता चलता है, राइट? यू हैव बीन ऑन द अदर साइड एज वेल. Do you think कि the values that you hold today as an actor, as a professional, who's serious about her work, जो work commitments, etc., a lot of these professionalism and discipline जो आया है also comes from the fact that you have yourself seen people around you have been very indisciplined?
दिस इज एब्सोल्युटली ट्रू। आप जो कह रहे हो ना, कि मैं ये नहीं कह रही हर आर्टिस्ट के दो पहलू होते हैं और बिहेवियरल जो पैटर्न्स है वो दोगले होते हैं। नो, इट्स अ लॉट सर्कमस्टेंशियल। आज मैं एक एक्टर हूँ, मैं भी जानती हूँ कभी कभी हमारा वर्कलोड इतना होता है, हमारे भी पर्सनल इश्यूज कुछ चल रहे होते हैं, इसका मतलब ये नहीं हम स्पिल होते हैं, राइट? बट जो हमारे करीबी होते हैं, जैसे कि अगर हमारे मैनेजर्स हो गए, हमारे स्पॉट हो, दे सी आवर रियल मूड्स एट ऑल टाइम्स। या वी आई कैन कम इन show you immediately. I've just met you today, right? मैं आके नहीं बताऊंगी आपको, oh I was angry, I was upset today. So ये तो human nature है, ये सबका एक है, उसको everybody doesn't become Durga. But yes, I've been an artist manager wherein I have seen actors behaving really bad, like in the sense हम पहले हर डिलीवरेबल को हरो हाँ कर देंगे, और फिर जैसे ही वक्त आता है so then they go like I'm not doing this, I'm not doing that because this particular actor didn't do it, तो मैं कंपैरिजन में जाऊंगी। सो ये सब मैंने बहुत करीबी से देखा है। कहते हैं ना कि अपने आप जिसे चाहते हो उसे दूर से ही निहारो, जितना हो सके उतना। ऐसा उस वक्त मैं मानने लगी। बट आई ऑल्सो हैड द फॉर्चून ऑफ वर्किंग विद वेरी वेरी गुड एक्टर्स, वेरी प्रोफेशनल एक्टर्स, जिनसे मैंने सीखा। एंड टुडे आई नो दैट आई हैव टू बी एग्जैक्टली लाइक देम एंड नॉट लाइक द वंस हु डिडंट बिहेव वेल बिकॉज दे हैड नो रिपीट वैल्यू। सो ये जो सिर्फ जैसे हवा बनाना जिसे कहते हैं बम्बैया लैंग्वेज में, वो करोगे तो यू हैव शेल्फ फॉर इट।
In fact, मेरा follow-up question यही है कि you have seen both parts, right? The ones who have been very, very professional, disciplined, humbled, right throughout their career, irrespective of the stardom that they have had. On the other hand, you've also seen those people who have kind of just got overnight stardom, etc. But वो संभाल नहीं पाए उस चीज को। Down the line जाके आपने क्या देखा कि the ones who have been consistent, disciplined, उन्होंने वो जो एकदम जो ऊपर वाला सीढ़ी है, they have attained, and the other ones who kind of showed those airs, they eventually vanished. ये देखा है आपने?
No, well, sadly, some of them still made it bigger than the good ones. वो भी होता है। So जैसे कि अब इसका भी explanation है। किस्मत ही हो सकती है। Because I see them today as well, and I'm like, wow, they're still there, and probably better than what they used to be. Hoping that they've changed their ways.
You're born and brought up in Mumbai?
Yes.
मुंबई एक ऐसा शहर है, आई एम नॉट, सो आई हैव लर्नड अ लॉट अबाउट लाइफ, अपने आप को सस्टेन कराना, अपने आप को बनाना, a lot of other things, and I'm still in the process of making myself, but the city teaches you so much irrespective of whether you are born and brought up in the city or not, right? uh, Personally and professionally, what are the things that this city has taught you which you will carry forward for the rest of your life?
My God, this city. I can't imagine living elsewhere. मैं कितना भी ट्रिप पूरा करूँ, I think अगर आप मेरे इंस्टाग्राम पे कभी मुझे फॉलो करेंगे तो मैं स्टोरी मेरी कम से कम हफ्ते में 2 बार तो अबाउट ट्रिपिंग अबाउट करके तो होती है। What is this? This is so hot. There's no place to move. But I love this place. I just love Mumbai. I love the spirit of Mumbai. I love Mumbaikars. मैं दुनिया में कहीं भी घूम लूँ ना, वो जब बम्बई में से प्लेन लैंड करता है ना, तो जो खुशी मिलती, जो it's home. So Mumbai is home. People in Mumbai are my people. They are my home. My friends live here. My family lives here. My work is here, and work is worship for me. So I have many stories to tell. एक और podcast मिलता है उसके लिए.
Of course, because a lot of interesting topics yet to be covered. When an actor does an audition, usually ऐसा कहा जाता है कि यार ऑडिशन लेके उसको भूल जाओ, उसके बारे में ज्यादा सोचो मत. हालांकि उसको इम्प्लीमेंट करना मेरे ख्याल से बहुत मुश्किल है, because you know down the line that you really want it, right?
Now guess what? I'm actually superstitious about it. आज तक मुझे ना जितने भी parts मिले हैं, most of them, वो वही है जिनको मैंने देखा मैं भूल गई.
How nice.
जैसे कि जब मैंने रजनीकांत का भी ऑडिशन दिया था, मैंने दे दिया एंड मैंने बोला चलो रिद्धि मैं डूइंग योर बेस्ट फॉरगेट. तो 10 दिन तो उसने मैंने फॉलो अप ही नहीं कर दिया. अब तो मुझे कुछ हो रहा है, आएगा कि नहीं. सो बेसिकली था मेरे बैकअप में माइंड. There are many parts which I've never really followed up on and I've got it. And this one तो luckily इन सिकंदर का मुकद्दर देते ही मुझे 2 घंटे में उस फाइल है. So मौका मिला ही नहीं. But yes, implement करना मुश्किल भी है. But I do think that's a healthier way of not thinking about it. You keep doing your part. It's your job. आप जाओ, आप audition दे दो, and you move on to your next one. That's how you'll be sane. Yeah, okay, no problem. कितनी बार मैं देती हूँ, I see somebody else do it, and I'm like, oh, good on them. और I'm like, shit, मुझे मिलता तो बड़ा अच्छा होगा. So it's like that.
ये चीज का एक दूसरा पहलू भी है, where कभी-कभी लोगों को साइन किया जाता है. They're taken on board for the project, and then कभी-कभी unceremoniously remove भी किया जाता है without even informing. बहुत लोगों को मैंने सुना, उनको या तो न्यूज़पेपर से या न्यूज़ वालों से पता चलता है कि अरे यार मैं था, ये हुआ था. I feel कि at the end of the day, of course, director producer का कॉल होना चाहिए, but then at least inform the person.
Of course.
वो होना चाहिए. कभी भी आपके साथ ऐसा हुआ है where you've been unceremoniously removed?
No, thank God. No, that's not happened because I think I was very heartbroken. As much as I would like to put up a strong front, it hurts because you've given in so much of your thought process, and actor starts preparing instantly again. Anyway, we are not allowed to go out of that preparation space. हमें एक पर्टिकुलर वेट का रहना है, हमें ऐसा दिखना जरूरी है. तो वो विदाउट अ गोल हम लोग अपने आप को कैसे मोटिवेटेड रखते हैं, डिसिप्लिन रहते हैं, दैट्स अनदर टास्क. आई एम नॉट कंप्लेनिंग अबाउट इट, बट इट इज बिकॉज बोलना आसान है. This has never happened with me, but yes, I've heard many things about me when it comes to a lot of reality shows. के no, we're not sure, because probably तो शायद उन्हें ऐसा लग रहा है कि मैंने ज्यादा मसाला डाल दिया. Yeah, I won't be that fun element, or probably certain times I've been
मसाला, how do you define मसाला?
क्या पता कुछ होगा, मस्ती मजाक, कोई अफेयर कर लेते हैं जैसे रियलिटी शोज पे. ये वो सब मुझसे होता नहीं. हाँ, जेन्युइन प्यार हो गया बात अलग है, बट मैं जस्ट फॉर इट आई कांट डू. आई कांट स्टेज समथिंग, एंड दैट इज समथिंग व्हिच इज ट्रेंडिंग फॉर द पास्ट few years, you know. So ये सब चीजें मुझसे तो नहीं होती. तो उस वजह से I do not know quite a few things. I'm aware of that very much. And I've been advised by a lot of people who are at very high positions in big companies that it would be nice to focus on this part of yourself as well. No, I'm like, okay, no, that's not me. हुआ तो हुआ, नहीं हुआ तो no problem. So ऐसी बहुत सी चीजें होती हैं. But thank God I've never been like plucked out of the project. I have not been selected only for it. rather. Let's say that.
But ये कहानी सच है कि say for a project you were asked to put on weight, which you did, but वो प्रोजेक्ट हुआ ही नहीं.
अब ये तो मैं क्या ही बोल सकती हूँ, मैं किसका गला पकड़ूं, मुझे ऐसा हो रहा था उस वक्त.
But it must have been so difficult because you put on weight specifically for that, and weight put on करना उतना शायद मेरे ख्याल से मुश्किल नहीं होता, उसको घटाना बहुत मुश्किल होता है.
It's मुश्किल man. I mean, इसके बाद तो मुझे ऐसा लगता है मैं नहीं कर सकती put on weight. बाबा बहुत मुश्किल होता है because when खून कैंसर हो to lose it, only I know. And the tasteless food that you have to, like, healthy food need not be tasteless, but to lose weight, you definitely have to have that tasteless food. Like, I eat healthy because I don't want to lose weight.
Sure.
I'm at my goal weight.
Sure.
But if I have to lose weight, then there's absolutely no oil in it. It gets very, very difficult. So ये हो चुका है.
Your father seems to be very less expressive in general overall. हर एक का अलग nature होता है, but then I'm sure he must be immensely proud of the wonderful daughter who's enjoying a lot of success, etc. How does your father express, his happiness about his daughter being very successful? Because I think you're the first one in the family to break out from a different profession altogether and be this star, be this public figure, an actor. The first one in the family, right? So must be very, very proud as well as a father. How does he express all of that to you?
So we're two daughters. Okay?
Yeah.
So I have an older sister, and she's now also. I mean, it's been like what 8-10 years. She's also in this field. So I used to be an artist manager to
Ah.
even Miss Ravina Tandon.
Yeah.
So now my sister looks after her work. So my father is extremely proud of both of us to begin with. How expressive is my father? Well, more after my mother's passing away, he's more expressive. Because अब उन्हें वो रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटी लगती है कि मैं भी ज्यादा कनेक्ट करूँ. वरना हमारा एक बहुत ही टिपिकल इंडियन हाउस होल्ड था कि हम मम्मी के साथ बहुत कनेक्टेड रहा करते थे, बट डैड वाज समवन हु ऑलवेज कम टू वर्क एंड ही इज ऑलवेज द गुड कॉप, mom is always the bad cop. Papa would never yell at us. He would always get us the best of the things.
Yeah.
It was a give and take. But after mom, he stepped in that aspect as well, even though he need not, because now he's at a certain age. हम भी बड़े हो गए. But my father, you have to see, he feels so proud of me. Touch wood. Any little thing to find that releases him. He will WhatsApp it to all his friends. And I'm sure a lot of you watching it after parents भी यही करते हो कि मेरे father को इतना pride महसूस होता है मेरा कोई भी project आता है तो he's like, watch Ravima and this project. And then his friends randomly somewhere if they bump into me, I'm like, hello uncle, hello auntie. They're like, अरे हमने देखने वाला है तुम्हारा वो show. I'm like, क्या आपका movie? आपको कैसे पता?
Yeah,
like आपके dad हमेशा हम भेजते रहते हैं.
Yeah.
So he is very very proud of us. Now how and when he expresses it, more better after 2 pence for sure. Sorry, Papa, but he's so cute after those 2 pence. You just see him.
Yeah.
He is so expressive, and I think those are the things I look forward to. I'm like, yeah, today let's sit with dad.
Yeah.
And let's hear some good things.
Yeah, how nice is that? Professionally on the professional front, an actor, an artist has different kind of ambitions, right? And I'm sure you're young right now, you're raw, you're doing good work, and there's so much more to achieve going forward, which you will touch on. But एक ग्राफ इंसान कभी कभी दिमाग में बनाता है, right? It might not always be exactly what you want, but एक ग्राफ कभी कभी बनता है कि यार चलो ये हो गया, I've got a bit of success with सिकंदर का मुकद्दर, people लोगों ने appreciate किया, maybe I should kind of hit those kind of roles, आगे जाके 2 years down the line maybe I should do these things. कभी कभी वो सब प्लानिंग करते हो या entirely you leave it on your own?
मैं कोई प्लान नहीं करती. मेरी जिंदगी कभी मेरे प्लान के हिसाब से गई नहीं. यस, मेरे एम्बिशन है, मेरी चाहत है कि मैं ये अचीव करूं, वो अचीव करूं, लेकिन मेरा कोई प्लान नहीं है. ना ही मेरा प्लान बी है. वो कहते हैं ना, मतलब कीपिंग अ प्लान बी इज एज गुड एज वांटिंग टू फेल. मुझे एक्टिंग के अलावा कुछ आता है नहीं. प्लान जैसे वो एक सवाल होता था जब मैं जॉब इंटरव्यूज के लिए जाया करती थी, वेयर डू यू सी योरसेल्फ 5 years from now?
बहुत टिपिकल सवाल है.
Dude, we don't know. People are living for that long.
Yeah.
I just feel कि प्लान जो लोग कर पाते हैं and it works as थोड़ा प्लान होना जरूरी है of course, but for me it's always the next step. Like I have done this movie right now. All I can do is I can't sit and wait कि मुझे लोग call करें. I'm still reaching out to people very very actively. I'm saying, hey look, if you missed out, I'm in this film, watch it. Now I'm sending it to casting directors. I'm telling my friends, I'm here to talk to you or to tell you to watch the Gandaka. So I'm doing my part, but there is no plan. I'm just taking the next step as it comes, and I think that really takes a lot of load off my head.
अपने जिंदगी का सबसे proudest moment अगर मैं पूछूं जो आप consider करते हो, that you know what, Ridhima, this is the moment when I genuinely feel that I've done something good in life and it's only about onwards and upwards, वो क्या moment है?
काफी सारे मोमेंट्स में
फ्लैशबैक्स आ रहे सभी.
हाँ. मुझे सबसे पहला मोमेंट मैं आपके साथ शेयर करना चाहूंगी was when I became famous and I got mobbed for the first time. And I was with my parents and
कोई मॉल पे था?
Yes, I think that was specifically the show, but I thought 1-2 people will come recognize me, but I really got like a lot of people coming to me. So my parents just were like, what is happening? Why have they come here for Ridhima? And like, I mean, वो एक फीलिंग मुझे ऐसा लगा कि yes, I've achieved something. My parents are really proud of this. That was an amazing thing. Today, me doing an OTT film for a Netflix giant, for a giant like Netflix, getting to work with English Foundation, I do feel there are many more milestones to achieve, but at least I'm doing this much. If I look back, I was a regular girl, and today to be making a name for myself on my own, I'm proud of myself.
टेलीविजन एक ऐसा मीडियम है which is not just exhausting mentally but also physically, right?
Yeah.
एवरेज में जितना मुझे पता है कि 12, 13, 14 घंटे एवरेज में एक्टर सेट्स पे ही होते हैं.
Right.
तो आइदर वो लोग सेट्स पे एक्टिंग कर रहे होते हैं या फिर बाकी टाइम वो एक्टिंग के बारे में प्रिपेयर कर रहे होते हैं. तो कभी-कभी वो जो एक खुद के साथ जो कनेक्ट है वो कभी-कभी वो डिस्कनेक्ट हो जाता है. समटाइम्स अ लॉट ऑफ एक्टर्स जो टीवी करते हैं on a regular basis, they are more of the character that they play on screen rather than what they are in reality, right? Have you experienced that when you were doing TV?
No, television is definitely strenuous for sure because होता क्या है कि अगर हम एक OTT प्रोजेक्ट लेते हैं तो I know we are working for so many months and we still get to go back to the gym and figure things out. अगर आप बहुत ही busy actor हैं जिसकी back to back फिल्में कर रहे हैं, you have a whole crew traveling with you, no? For the big stars out there. For actors, it's again, you know, we still have to figure out कि चलो हम इसमें workout कैसे squeeze in करें, ये कैसे करें. Now coming to television, only thing is that कि हमें वक्त बहुत कम मिलता है खुद पे फोकस करने का because we are just set home.
Right.
So I used to sleep basically 5 hours for almost a whole year, as in when I used to do a show. But no complaints because that's what got me the fame, and it wouldn't have been any other way. Yeah, वो तो है strenuous तो हो जाता है television में काम करना, but like I said, there are no free lunches in this world. You pay either with your time, your health, your giving your focus on things.
But ये जो आपने word use किया ना health, ये biggest stake है for anything else, right? Because at the end of the day, you're working hard, you're ambitious. Why? Because you want to achieve success. आपको वो महसूस करना है आगे जाकर. अगर health ही डगमगा जाएगा, then वो चीज कैसे होगा, right? When you were having those kind of strenuous schedules on set, did you see your health getting dagmified?
Oh yeah. A lot of actors who I know have developed thyroid. They've got sugar issues because lack of sleep, lack of eating good food, proper food, all of that is happening. So ये तो होता है. I was lucky enough to not get any of that in that moment. But actually सिर्फ हमारे फील्ड में नहीं, ये सारे फील्ड्स में यार स्ट्रेस हो गया तो हो ही जाता है लोगों को. ये सारी हमारे इंडिया बीइंग द कैपिटल ऑफ डायबिटीज, राइट, वर्ल्ड में, सो थोड़ा ये चीजों का ध्यान रखना जरूरी हो जाता है. We can just try and have our physical health and mental health in check. I would just advise eat home cooked meals and be surrounded by people who want the best food.
Sleep को कितना प्रायोरिटी देते हो आप? Because actors का जिंदगी they don't have fixed working hours.
जितना देना चाहती हूँ नहीं दे पाती हूँ. But ऐसे भी दिन रहे हैं कि सिर्फ सोते हैं, right? Because we are frustrated. We are like sometimes walking away from the reality. We're like, all right.
I think उस टाइम पे नींद से ज़्यादा better कुछ है ही नहीं उस टाइम में.
हाँ, you want to escape reality, right? In that moment you're like, I just can't right now do people. I can't do things because they're not going my way. तो वैसे भी दिन रहे हैं. And I am forever thankful I never complain now. I'm like, whatever it is, it just works.
You know, an actor's part is about, you know, good news, positive headlines वगैरह तो होता ही है. And on the other hand, कभी-कभी ऐसे random headlines बन जाते हैं जो कभी इंसान उम्मीद ही नहीं करता, right? Everything that was talked about regarding Shubman Gill, etc. कहाँ से आया किसी को कुछ पता नहीं है. But then कहीं से source out हुआ, and what happens is कोई एक करता है, वो viral हो जाता है, and it picks up from there, right? Till today, have you ever been able to figure out the source कि ये कहाँ से ये rumors चालू है? Because of course you have cleared it.
No, there was a page I believe which posted it, and उस चक्कर में हुआ ये कि then the journalists saw that. And I still don't understand इतना power कैसे हो सकता है एक page में that it's gone, it went so viral, and it had absolutely no connection whatsoever. I have never.
In fact, but December में शादी तक का बात आ गया था. I was laughing at how many laughing.
But no, unfortunately. But मुझे नहीं समझ आ रहा है that how it went so viral. ये it's a question mark for me as well. But like I said, it's the vulnerability of an actor. You know, I mean, अच्छी बात है कि मैं तो हर इंटरव्यू में बोलती हूँ ये शुभन is very very lovely and nice. ये उसके साथ लिंक अप ठीक है हो गया. But ये किसी और के साथ भी हो सकता था जो शायद मेरी फैमिली तो वैसे स्ट्रगल है. तो और किसी के साथ से और होता है. It's just not worth it. I never want to be known into my personal life. But of course that's not going to happen. I'm a public figure. People would want to know what's happening in my life. And yeah, I'm very guarded about it. So
you know what I've realized is that whenever you've spoken about this, you've been very open and upfront, and you've been very sweet. आप कभी गुस्से तरीके से, aggressive तरीके से you've never reacted. Of course, you have dismissed कि rumors है, rumors जो है वो है, right? You've been very subtle about the whole thing. कभी-कभी लोग गुस्सा हो जाते हैं, aggressive हो जाते हैं, because at the end of the day, personal life में वो privacy रहना चाहिए, right? That is your own entitlement.
right.
वो आपसे कोई छीन नहीं सकता. यू आई मीन आप इतना शांत इन एवरी सिचुएशन कैसे रहते हो, मुझे
नहीं
जेन्युइनली
नहीं
जानना
नहीं, मैं नहीं रहती, बिल्कुल नहीं रहती। बट जैसे कि अगर कोई मुझे मुझे याद है, मेरी फ्रेंड थी, उसने बोला था कि ये क्या हुआ, ये तो तुम एंजॉय क्यों नहीं कर रही हो अटेंशन?
हाँ,
सो आई सेड व्हाई शुड आई एंजॉय इट?
right.
आई सेड वो अपने फील्ड में एक इंसान जो भी है वो बहुत उम्दा माने जाते हैं, वो हमारे शायद फ्यूचर क्रिकेट कैप्टन हो सकते हैं, बट मैं भी कुछ कम नहीं हूँ, मैंने काम करके यहाँ तक आई हूँ उसके
Absolutely.
बलबूते पे। तो किसी के लिंकअप के थ्रू मुझे नहीं जाने लगा। ऑफ कोर्स
Very brave point. Huh?
आई मीन या कल को सच्ची में क्रिकेट और एक्टर की शादी होती है तो लोग बड़े खुश होते हैं, और होंगे भी बाकायदा जब कभी होगी तो। आई डोंट रिलेट लाइक दैट, फ्रेम इट।
You just meant that कभी भी कोई भी एक्टर
हाँ,
क्रिकेटर का अगर जैसे विराट कोहली, अनुष्का, so to
yes.
say.
So it's a very good union for the audiences. I know उन्हें बड़ा मजा आता है इन चीजों को ये इमेजिन करना, बट I'm sorry यार, मतलब मैं भी रिधिमा पंडित हूँ यार, मैंने बहुत काम किया है आज।
Absolutely.
मैं जानी जाती हूँ मेरे काम के लिए, सो ये मुझ में एक वो एयर है, एंड आई लाइक टू कीप इट, कि सब अपने अपने घर पे सब है, हम भी कुछ।
Absolutely. Second last question before we wrap up this very diverse and interesting conversation would be कि जब आप set पे रहते हो, you know, the aura that's created on the set, I believe, is very important. And I think actors, जो मैं बहुत सुनता हूँ, बोलते हैं कि we often feed off each other's energy, right? कभी ऐसे सेट में आप रहे हो जहाँ पे the energy is not very happy, not very, but again you're a professional, so you got to do your job rightly,
Right.
because the audience doesn't care. उनको सिर्फ ये देखना है कि आप as a professional कैसे करते हो. How important it is for an actor to have that positive environment, because I'm sure हर सेट में नहीं
It
होता.
is so important, guys. Just imagine आप सुबह उठ के जा रहे हैं आपके कॉर्पोरेट जॉब पे, and every day you have to meet this annoying colleague of yours who is out there to just make your life miserable.
Yeah.
Or somebody, an HR manager who's struggling. It's the same for us also. Yeah? We are also getting up, going to work, and if you have to see a Manu's face every day, who's out there to torture us, हमें बड़ा गुस्सा आता है।
ये HR वाला जो पॉइंट बोला है बहुत पर्सनल तरीके से बोला, क्योंकि मुझे पता है
नहीं, ये मेरे भी कॉर्पोरेट टाइम्स में थे यार, कुछ कलीग्स वेरी अनोइंग। सो ये बहुत जरूरी होता है हेल्दी वर्किंग एनवायरनमेंट। जैसे कि ये मैं अगर कहूँ तो सिर्फ रजनीकांत में मुझे मेरे को एक्टर्स ने बहुत सपोर्ट किया, बहुत आज भी मेरे अच्छे दोस्त हैं, क्यों? क्योंकि उन्हें पता था मैं नहीं हूँ, अगर, और मैं बहुत उन घंटे बहुत ज्यादा काम किया, तो अगर मुझे कोई पर्टिकुलर प्रोडक्शन जैसे कोई बंदा परेशान करना था, या डायरेक्टर मेरे साथ कोई ईगो हासिल फाइट लेके बैठ जाते थे, सो अब हम दे वुड रियली सपोर्ट मी, दे विल लाइक चलो ठीक है, नो प्रॉब्लम, वील सपोर्ट यू। कि अगर क्योंकि मैं मेकअप रूम में चेंज करने गई नहीं कि मैं वापस आती, ये भी जाती थी कि मैं वापस आती, तो मुझे मतलब खाने पीने का भी ब्रेक नहीं मिलता था। सो they would take up for me, they give her some time at least, you can't do that, you know, she has to get some rest, so they would take up for me a lot in that way. Now that I can't expect everywhere I work. Today also it's been so many years, so I can take up for myself. तो ये चीजों का बहुत फर्क पड़ता है। There was one particular co-actor of mine who I didn't really get along with, but of course on screen we are lovers, right? तो हमें वो प्यार दर्शाना बड़ा जरूरी है, but मेरे तरफ से तो कोई हैम्पर नहीं होता, बट आई एम श्योर वो इंसान शायद बेटर परफॉर्मेंस दे सकता था, बट वो नहीं दे पाया ना, बिकॉज ऑफ दिस। आई डोंट माइंड टू जज, प्रॉब्ली उनके ऑडियंसेस के लिए वो ठीक ही रहा होगा, बट आई जस्ट फेल्ट देयर इज सो मच मोर वी कुड डू विद दोस कैरेक्टर्स, बट वी कुड, बिकॉज वी कुड सी आई टू आई। एंड आई वुड लाइक टू से दिस ऑन कैमरा टुडे, I'm a very amicable person. So if I don't get along with someone, the problem's not it's the other person, 100%.
नहीं, वो amicable vibe मुझे of course मिल गया है. Last question before I wrap this up is that कि जब आप इंडस्ट्री में आ रही थी, which is many years back, the pattern, the work shift, the paradigm around the entire industry was very different. Right? उस time पे I don't think OTT was there. It was primarily television movies, right? एंड आई थिंक वो जो ब्यूटी पेजेंट का कॉन्सेप्ट है उसका भी इंपॉर्टेंस टू अ ग्रेट एक्सटेंट आई फील, मुझे जितना लगता है डिमिनिश हुआ है, राइट? सो से गोइंग बैक उस टाइम पे आपका जितना भी एज था व्हेन यू आर वर्किंग, उन एज के लड़कियों को जिनका एज वो अभी है, इफ दे वांट टू मेक इट इन द एंटरटेनमेंट इंडस्ट्री, राइट, with all the values and experience that you carry as an artist, what would be the mantra that you would love to share with them?
See, मैं अगर मैं जब छोटी थी, जब मैं एक्टर नहीं थी, तब मैं देखती थी कि लोग ब्यूटी पेजेंट्स के थ्रू एंट्री किया करते थे, एंड ऑफ कोर्स देयर वर ओनली मॉडल्स, सुपर मॉडल्स आल्सो बिकमिंग एक्टर्स और अ स्टार किड बिकमिंग, well, now the norm is a lot of them are just star kids,
Yeah.
plain star kids. Well, मेरे वक्त मैंने जिस तरीके से एंट्री की was theatre and art films and perseverance, of course, to just keep adding. I am actually not too sure as to क्या चल रहा है, but I would say जो आपके लिए काम है. अगर आज ब्यूटी पैजेंट की हर एक विनर को बॉलीवुड लॉन्च नहीं मिल रहा है, बट एटलीस्ट दे आर नोन. और आज मैं आपको सच बात कहूँ तो डिजिटली यूट्यूब भी इज ऑफ सच ग्रेट हेल्प. लॉट ऑफ पीपल आर गेनिंग अ लॉट ऑफ फेम फ्रॉम देयर, और काफी क्रिंज वर्दी कंटेंट बनाने वाले भी लाइफ में आगे बढ़ रहे हैं. सो यार व्हाटएवर रॉक्स योर बोर्ड, बट जस्ट बिगिन. मैंने स्टार्ट करने में देरी कर दी, मैंने ये एडवाइस दी किसी को, जस्ट बिगिन, डोंट हैव डाउट्स फॉर योरसेल्फ. People who have zero doubts are doing much better than the ones who actually have talent.
इसका मतलब बेसिकली ये है कि देयर इज ऑफ कोर्स अ लॉट ऑफ क्वांटिटी, क्वालिटी कम है, लेकिन जहाँ पे क्वालिटी है, एकदम तगड़ा क्वालिटी है, दैट इज व्हाट इट इज, यू शुड
मैं
ट्राई.
क्वालिटी कंटेंट में बिलीव करती हूँ. मुझे क्रिंज कुछ करना है नहीं, और शायद इस चक्कर में मैं बड़ा लिमिटेड काम लेती हूँ, बट आप शुरुआत तो कीजिए, देन यू हैव योर चॉइस.
I think self introspection is the key, and as long as you do that SWOT analysis for yourself, ki what works out for you, what doesn't, you're of course on the right track, and you know that better than anybody else. Thank you so much
Thank
for
you
giving me your
having
time. It's been an absolute pleasure. And दोस्तों, ऐसे इनको जाने नहीं देंगे. आपको पता है मेरे शो का फॉर्मेट रहता है, जो कोई भी आता है मेरे शो में, मैं उनको थोड़ा बहुत अच्छा फील कराने के लिए एक तोहफा देता हूँ. तो मैं उनके लिए भी एक तोहफा लेके आया हूँ. Can I please have that bag, if you don't mind?
I love it.
So this is something that I always look forward to doing. Thank you so much. So this is a nice ethnic kurti for you, and this is my mantra, because वो कोई भी मतलब time देता है मेरे लिए, I feel like थोड़ा बहुत value appreciate उनको करना है. This is just a small gesture from mine that I always do with my partner. Thank you so much. Pleasure, and I wish you all the very best for everything that you do going forward. और मुझे बताने की जरूरत नहीं है दोस्तों, दिलो जान से सपोर्ट करो इन एवरी वे पॉसिबल. सिकंदर का मुकद्दर आ गया, इनको मुकद्दर का सिकंदर असली जिंदगी में भी आप लोग जरूर बना दो. एंड जितना भी प्यार उनको दोगे, उनका 0.2% भी मुझे मिल जाएगा, तो यार बहुत कमाल की बात है. थैंक यू सो मच. God bless, take care, stay safe, and thank you. And do shower your love on this podcast. Do put the comments below and let us know what you feel about this. Thank you so much. God bless, take care, stay safe, and thank you.
Thank you.